Hello kids, today we will talk about the human respiratory system. All living things breathe. We breathe in through our nose. Nose has fine hairs which trapped dust particles and very tiny insects. So always breathe through your nose and not through your mouth. Watch a sleeping baby. See how its chest rises and falls as it breathes. The respiratory system consists of the nose, windpipe, and a pair of lungs. As you breathe in through your nose, air containing oxygen goes in. Through the windpipe, it reaches the lungs. The lungs are made up of thousands of air sacs, which look like bunches of grapes. Each air sac is surrounded by capillaries. What are capillaries? Capillaries are small blood vessels found in the human body. These capillaries contain impure blood brought from the heart. As the air containing oxygen reaches the air sacs, the capillaries release carbon dioxide and absorb the oxygen. There is an exchange of gases in the lungs. The air sacs now contain carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide leaves your body as you breathe out. This process goes on continuously. Normally, we breathe about 75 times in a minute. So, the process of air rich in oxygen is known as inhalation. Inhalation is a part of breathing where the air is taken into the lungs. During exhalation, the air is drawn out of the lungs. This exhaled air is rich in carbon dioxide. This process of inhalation and exhalation is known as breathing. Remember, breathe through your nose. Try to get as much as fresh air as you can. Play games as exercise help you to breathe more deeply and you get more oxygen. Do not sleep with your face covered. This reduces the fresh air going inside.